What causes an NLP model to underperform? Imagine trying to have a conversation with someone who keeps misunderstanding you. That's similar to what happens when an NLP or natural language processing model doesn't work well. There are several reasons behind this. First, if the training data is small, it might not cover enough language variety. If it's biased, the model learns unfair or inaccurate patterns. For example, if most data is from one region or dialect, the model might struggle with others. Next, overfitting is a common issue. It happens when the model memorizes the training data too closely, including the noise, and then fails on new data. This is like studying only one set of questions and not being ready for anything different. Proper regularization methods like dropout or cross-validation can help prevent this. Data leakage is another problem. It occurs when information from the test set leaks into the training data, making the model seem better than it really is. This leads to overly optimistic results that don't hold up in real life. Keeping training and testing data separate is key. Imbalanced datasets also cause issues. If one category dominates, the model gets biased toward it and performs poorly on less common categories. Techniques like oversampling minority classes or undersampling majority ones can fix this. Language is naturally ambiguous, which makes understanding context tough. Words can have many meanings depending on the situation. If the model can't interpret this nuance, its predictions will be less accurate. For example, the word bank could mean a riverbank or a financial institution. Language evolves over time too. If the model isn't updated regularly, it can become outdated as new slang, topics, or expressions emerge. Monitoring and retraining are necessary to keep it current. Choosing the wrong evaluation metrics can also mislead you. Different tasks need different measures, like accuracy or F1 score. Using the right one helps you see how well the model truly performs. Lastly, multilingual or dialect variations can cause problems. A model trained on one language or dialect might not work well with others because of differences in grammar and vocabulary. From an ethical perspective, if a model learns biases from its training data, it might produce unfair or discriminatory results. Addressing this involves careful data selection, bias detection, and designing models that promote fairness. Even the most advanced models like ChatGPT or DALL-E need ongoing updates and checks to stay effective and fair. When building AI tools or plugins, it's important to include mechanisms to spot errors or biases, making sure users get reliable and just results.